above 3 to be behind 7 south.
There we go. Yeah, foot brake to the 1 and 2 front. Robbie Watson and Lane Lewis. Green and red. Man, Robbie Watson gets the win. Lane Lewis.
Lane Lewis, 011 red.
Robbie Watson for the win.
Breaks it out 5 south. AJ has a better light. Just lifts us up. Next pair are front milers and the only remaining track to the left. Freddie Fiddle, 510, coming off a perfect run and a $500 bonus. From what I understand. Dead on 9, a little late leaving the street to be behind 6 south. Here's our last pair. Jeff Gaddis in the left lane, dialing in a 591. Right lane, Johnny Holly, your way to C5. The right lane, you can turn on the electricity. Down the finish line, and he gets the 5 and 3 cars going straight to 5. So this will be a 2-for-1 special. A BOGO or a WOGO, win one, get one. Two above 3 to be behind 7 south. The left lane, right lane, Freddie Bell, 511. Almost 2 balls hit start going to the left lane. Will it be a door car final or a dragster door car final? We shall see. Got a door car sitting on the line. Jeff Gaddis, the white Camaro. Taking on Jeff Gaddis, Camaro in the final. Here's your buy run at 3. Jeff Gaddis. Jeff Gaddis is joining us on Wednesday nights out here for our Busch Light King of the Mountain. Been enjoying life. 591. They're going to be close. The other Camaros are dialed 6 flat, so they're about even when they come back from the final.